In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and delete cards, lists, and boards in Trello, a powerful tool for organizing tasks and projects. Managing your Trello workspace can significantly enhance your productivity, so let's dive right in. To begin, let's walk through the process of deleting a card. In Trello, cards represent individual tasks or ideas. Removing one is straightforward but involves a couple of steps to ensure nothing is deleted accidentally. First, select the card that you'd like to delete. Each card houses details about the task, such as descriptions, checklists, and even attachments. Once you've chosen your card, take a look towards the top left corner of the card. You'll notice 3 dots there. Click on these dots to have an options menu pop up. From this menu, you'll see the option to archive. Now, you might wonder why the option says archive instead of delete. In Trello, archiving serves a purpose similar to placing items in a recycle bin. It acts as a safety net, giving you a chance to change your mind later. By clicking on archive, you're one step closer to deletion. If you're absolutely certain that you want the card gone for good, you'll need to confirm this action. This confirmation adds an extra layer of security, ensuring you don't delete anything by mistake. If your goal is to delete an entire list, the process is quite similar, although there are some slight variations. Lists in Trello are collections of cards, often used to categorize tasks under different stages of a project. To delete a list, find the list you want to remove and press the 3 dots located to the right of the list's title. Again, an options menu will appear, allowing you to choose Archive this list. Just like with cards, archiving the list is the initial step toward permanent deletion, and it leaves you the option to restore it later if necessary. Moving on to deleting a whole board, which is generally a larger project or overarching category, containing all lists and cards related to a specific topic. To delete a board, locate the 3 dots on the top left of the board. Clicking these will open up more options, and you'll need to scroll to the bottom of this menu where you'll find the Close Board option. Closing a board, like archiving cards and lists, places it in an archive state and doesn't immediately delete it. If you're certain about removing it permanently, you'll then click on Permanently Delete Board, sealing the decision. This step-by-step guide ensures you know exactly how to manage your Trello workspace. Effectively managing cards, lists, and boards with care can maximize your productivity and keep your digital workspace tidy and functional. Remember, it's often wiser to archive before permanently deleting,